Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In the last video, we have explained how to put the screen protector. We have explained in detail. In the video description, you can find the link for purchasing the tempered glass as well as the video of how to fix it, install this particular stuff actually. In this video, we will be discussing how to put the camera protective lens actually. Okay, there are two packs are available for 14 Pro Max and 14 Pro. So this is from Spigen, which is a very popular name in iPhone accessories. So you can see what are the thing: easy installation. There is an oleophobic coating is there, real glass, and 9-inch hardness testing is there. So installation video, you can just click and see that how the installation of this particular part will happen. So let's do the unboxing and review as well as how to install this particular lens protector for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so let's unbox it and see how it looks like. Okay, if you want to purchase this item, in the video description I have provided the link. From there you may get an offer price for purchasing this thing. So let's open and see it, how the packing and everything will be. Okay, wow, the packaging is really good. Even there is a plastic casing given. So first thing, the documentation, let's see that. So they have given the instructions for assembling this thing. As you can see that, so I have to, this is the first step, you have to clean it using a dust removal tool they have given, and there is a cloth, then there is a dust removal tool. Everything I will be explaining in step by step, as you can see that. And then you have to remove the back sticker in this particular stuff, and you have to fix it, press and slide, same like hardened glass what we have done in the previous video. Then you have to remove this particular thing and it will be shining. Okay, so now let's see how we can do that actually. And there is some tool is given for the bubble removal or removal thing. So is like you want to remove the glass, there is a removal tool also they have given. As you can see it, this is how to do, they have given in this particular stuff. And now the other thing which I want to show you, like I think, okay, there is another cover for the protective thing. Yeah, that seems cool. So I have to remove this, and you can see there are two lens protector actually. You can use one, and if anything happen you can use it too actually. So you can see the press options is given here, and which will be the top and all those stuff. As you can see that writing direction, it is there. Okay, so that's for the lens thing. And this is for the bubble removal, dust removal sticker. You have to do the sticker and remove it actually. Okay, before that you have to clean it with this particular stuff. That's also sounds okay for me. So let's start the work. First I have to clean the surface with this particular tool, and not tool, this cloth. So I will be cleaning as much as possible. So I have cleaned the surface using this cloth, this lens surface. Now I have to remove this back sticker. Okay, and I have to attach this on this lens actually. So you can see how it should be coming. Okay, so now you got an idea. Then you can press on this particular stuff. So we have cleaned the first step, clean the lens. Then second step is the dust removal sticker. So how to do that? You have to just remove the sticker. So let me see. Yes. Okay, so you have to hold like this, and you have to remove the dust from the lenses. It's very simple process. So as you can see, like remove as much as dust is possible from the lens, because the quality is depend on the camera lens clarity. So after the dust removal, using this dust removal sticker, we have to assemble the thing actually. Okay, so there is a thing you have to remove from the back. It is mentioned here. You have to peel off from here, and this particular symbol, it has to come here. As you can see, it is matching properly. You have to fix on this. Okay, so I am just removing the sticker, and I am going to fix it on this particular surface. So don't touch inside this thing. So I'm just removing it. Okay, now you have to properly align with this thing. So now you can see here a click sound. Then as it is mentioned, you have to press it. Okay, and there is some other mention is also there. You have to press, and you have to do like this thing. Okay, so I'm doing like this thing for all the places. I am pressing here, not too much pressure, and some pressure I am applying. So as you can see that you can press here, then later you have to remove it actually. So let's press here. So now we have given some enough time and pressed properly as it is mentioned. Now we have to remove this particular casing from there actually. Okay, so as you can see that they are saying that just remove by parallelly from the top. So I will be just holding like this and I am just trying to remove. Yeah, you have heard the clicking sound and the lens depression is there, and you can see you can use the cloths. Okay, so you can press it for any bubbles or something, air bubbles. As you can see there is no air bubbles, so I'm just pressing it and I'm feeling it, and you don't even know there is a lens. That's the beauty of this installation actually. It is really nice. And if I have to open the okay, so if you want to purchase this item, in the video description I have given that. From there you can do it actually. And there is a tool extra is given. So this is for the glass removal glide. If you want to remove the glass, you can use it. So you can, from the side you put it and remove it. This is quite useful thing, I can say that. Okay, in the next video now we'll assemble the case of this particular part.